Salut tout le monde, Joe Windsurfer ici. Aujourd'hui, je vais faire la discussion en anglais. Vielleicht das nächste Mal kann ich es auch Deutsch machen. So today I'm going to do a little chat on English on what happened to me. I mean, nothing really happened, but we did have over 1.5 feet of snow yesterday. And as we are north of Montreal, obviously they cleared it up pretty damn quickly. And I thought, well, I should check up north anyway, so that's what I did. I came here and I plowed a path to the lake like I usually do. I didn't go to the snowman because he seems to be having his hands up and saying, "Help me! I don't know what to do." So the wind was supposed to be from the west, and it was supposed to be pretty strong, like let's say 20 to 40 kilometers an hour. So I was here a couple of days ago and the wind was from the west, and it was less than that. I had a lot of fun. So I said to myself, well, if I shovel enough snow, can I have fun? Well, obviously what happens is there's well, let's use some French words. There's a shitload of snow, man. So I walked to my previous runway just to see if it was windy, first of all, and second of all, how much work would it be to shovel a little, well, I call them runways. And you can't really build a ramp because, as you can see by my footsteps, I'm sinking into the snow at least 18 inches. And now you can hear the wind. Hopefully you can still hear me. And there you see my little runway. Now, obviously the runway is very short to begin with. So that took me an hour. So before I went in to do any more crazy stuff, I came out with my sled and my sail, and I tried to sail down this thing. But I mean, that was kind of a joke. I mean, the wind was coming from there at times, but the wind also at times came from there, like more northwest. So I had my exercise. It is a beautiful day, as you can see, and I hope with that you all have a great day, and we hope one day we can get better conditions for winter windsurfing. My buddy Foster out west, he's having trouble going out on the ice and snow as well.